What is going on with this mop top haircut? It's not a mop on the head. What is wrong with people? Why are they calling it a mop top haircut? Does this look like a mop top haircut? Why is there a mop on the head? If you insist on calling this the mop top haircut, then this is what you need to do. You need to have layers. If you can do this, take your head off your shoulders and your neck and shake it to see the layers. The layers are going to create the fullness, the shape, the texture, the volume, the mop top. But if you don't have layers, then your hair is going to lay too flat. You can't have flat hair. If you do want to have flat hair, then you need to bat it down like this. The hair needs to be long enough. Most of you don't have your hair long enough. That's why you can't get the mop top haircut. So you can see the length in the front comes down to the bridge of the nose. If your hair is too short, like up here, it won't look right. This works on straight hair. It works on curly hair. It works on wavy hair. It doesn't matter what hair type you have, it works. But you need to have the right haircut in order to achieve the mop top hairstyle, because so many people want it, so many people don't know how to get it, and I'm telling you how to get it finally. It's here. This is it. Layer your hair like this. Make sure your hair is long enough. Use the right products. I have loads and loads of products you can use at shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20 for 20% off.